Yeah. He hasn't moved from that seat since we started.
Buy those CDs. They're great.
Got a heckler.
Got on the white shirt too.
There you go.
So you're gonna sign it. You're gonna sign it, right? You're gonna sign it. You promised me you're gonna sign it.
We can do that.
Alright.
You want to do?
Give the 21-year-old another drink.
I just figured out you can take photos if you watch right here. This is snap a picture.
I knew you could do that, but I wouldn't.
I'm gonna let Evan tell the story behind this song. It's very special to us.
I love you, Ian.
So this song is called My Letter.
Front row.
We send this song out to all of our troops because we wrote it from the perspective of a soldier writing home, saying how much they hate being away, but until they get back, we have letters to hold on to. I don't know how often people write letters anymore, but I think it's still pretty prevalent. You still write letters?
Yeah.
We have a lot of friends serving overseas, so this one goes out to them.
Every word that you should know about where I've been since I've gone. I'll paint the words with everything that I feel, every sunset, every dawn. I've kept you by my side, you never left my mind. You got me through my darkest nights. I hate that you're all alone. I hate not being home right now. So for the times that we can't be together, you've got my letter. Down so I can send a piece of me to you from miles away. You're my way out of this dark and distant place, but I still hear every breath you take. Kept you by my side, you never left my mind. You got me through my darkest nights. I hate that you're all alone. I hate not being home right now. So for the times that we can't be together, you've got my letter. my mind. You got me through my darkest nights. I hate that you're all alone. I hate not being home right now. So for the times when we can't be together, yeah, just right now while we can't be together, please read my letter.
CDs over here, so please come and grab one. We've got Sharpies. We'd love to sign them with you. Thank you so much. Thank you.